Today we're excited to introduce the STHOUYN 56-inch Fabric Loveseat Sofa, a perfect blend of style and functionality designed for small spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and more. This loveseat features two USB charging ports conveniently located on the armrest, allowing you to keep your devices powered while you relax, and handy pockets on both sides for easy storage of your essentials. Available in dark gray and light gray, this loveseat makes an ideal gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and other special occasions. Its high-quality construction includes a rounded corner design for a unique, fashionable look, breathable and durable fine linen fabric, and cushions filled with high-resilience sponge and spring for optimal comfort. Built with a sturdy metal frame and solid wood, this loveseat can support up to 500 pounds, and its metal legs come with padding to protect your floors. Measuring 56.3 inches in width, 26.8 inches in depth, and 33.9 inches in height, it's easy to assemble with the included manual and toolkit, taking just 15 minutes to set up. Plus, STHOUYN offers an excellent after-sales service team, ready to assist you with any questions, ensuring you have a seamless experience with your new loveseat.